July 30th, 2025. This is Starbucks coffee on a 1 minute chart. So I also wanted to show you that the wave 5 doesn't actually have to be the largest move for the day, and this is a good example. So Starbucks reported earnings yesterday afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. That happened right around here, and then this is all the overnight session. So Starbucks opened this morning right here at the high of 98.89, and let's just call it 99 bucks, and it dropped all the way down to, let's just say, 90.50. So that's an $8.50 move for Starbucks. And you can see here, this would be a wave one down. You finally get candle body over candle body. So that's the wave one down. Price has stopped going down. Price then breaks the wave one and continues down. So then there's a wave two and a wave three and a wave four. So we haven't gotten a wave five yet in Starbucks. You can see that here. But what I want to document for you is that when stocks make a large move, or futures or crypto make a large move, that the 5 wave move can be within that larger move. So I'm going to go ahead and just zoom in on this section right here. And I'm going to try to zoom in. Okay, I see what happened there. I got to scroll this way and shrink my chart a little bit. This volume down. Okay, so you saw the move in Starbucks, and then ultimately what happens right here on this candle is you get candle body over candle body. We know this by my wedge, and you can also look at the price. So this is essentially the start of wave one, because price is no longer going down, and price has started moving up. So price keeps going up and up and up and up, and we don't have a pullback yet until we get to right here. So what we can say is, okay, this is now candle body under this candle body, which is also under this candle body, so this is the end of wave one. And then price starts going up. This is candle body over this candle body, but then you can see price comes back down and it breaks through this low here and closes lower. So that's a failed wave. So that's why I have this start of wave two in a red. Price goes lower, and then we get right here candle body clearly over this candle body by the wedge and over this candle body. So this would be the start of wave two, because price is candle body over candle body, and then you get a pullback. This is like an internal wave. It's not really bullish yet until price has to break wave one. Here we get the break over wave one, and this is where details matter. You literally have to be, you could be in the thousandths of a penny where price breaks, and that's why it's important to have a script. But here we can clearly see that this candle and this candle body are clearly over wave one. So that's where wave two ends. We'll move that down here. I'm going to zoom a little bit to the right. Wave two ends here with this candle body over the previous wave one candle body. Then you get a pullback. So this is candle body under this candle body. So we know price is no longer going up. That's the end of that wave. And then price starts going up. This is clearly candle body over this candle body. So we know that this is the start of wave three. In addition, price is above wave two. We need to see candle bodies above wave two. We get the candle body. Price essentially pulls back. This candle body here is now underneath this one, and so is this one. So we know that that is the top of wave three, the end of wave three. Price pulls back. This becomes the beginning of wave four. How do we know that? Because this doji is above this candle body, and the body of that candle is actually above the wave three body. So this becomes the wave four high because price pulls back. right here, this upside down hammer body is below this doji here, and it's below this one. So that is the end of wave 4. We get the pullback. This candle body and this candle body are over this one, but it's the first immediate candle body that's over. In this case, it's this one. We know this by my wedge and by looking at the price. So this is the start of wave 5. And then wave 5 ends here because this is candle body under this candle body. So we'll move this down. So here you can clearly see that Starbucks essentially bottomed out around $90.20, and then it made a 5-wave move back up to, call it just 92.75, and that it's about a $2.60 move inside that 5-wave move inside of, I'm going to have to change charts real quick, just go to another stock and then we'll come back to that. So here, well, like I said, it's about an $8.50 move, and then we have a 5-wave move inside of that for about $2.60. So there's a 5-wave move in a larger pattern. This can happen when you have extremely large moves outside of the normal daily range for Starbucks. The normal daily range on Starbucks, my guess is it's probably not more than a couple bucks a day, and this is essentially 4 times that. So you can have a 5-wave move inside of a much larger move. Yes, Starbucks did make multiple waves higher, and you can see that Starbucks did retrace into this poor structure right here, and if we look left, it came back up here and made a 4-candle connection, 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. So that's just another example of 5-wave move that can happen on any typical day. Thanks for watching.